we are looking at how to pronounce this classic Brazilian Portuguese name. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting and related names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How is it said? In Brazil, it is said as João, João. Pretty straightforward once you know João. In English, it is usually pronounced as João, João, but in Brazilian Portuguese, João, João. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.